Amazing Time Playtime! Amazing Time Playtime! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
And in this video,
we have
our Playtime Junior eggs.
Who's gonna go first?
Me!
Okay, you go first. So what do you have in your egg? Can you open it?
Pass.
Give Maeve to help you.
Whoa.
Put it out, let's see. Wow. So what are they?
Fireman and a truck and a thing that rolls the fire.
Oh, so you have a fire van.
Fire fan.
And you have the little fireman. And
I have this.
And what is this? The cat?
Yep.
Fire cat.
Fire cat.
Fireman doesn't have a cat. It's a postman that has a cat. Yeah. Isn't it? Oh, he's saving the cat. Oh, yes. So fireman is saving this cat behind the fire. Wow, look at that. He's going to use this and spray the fire out. Right? Wow, that is a cool little toy. Let's see what you have in yours yellow big egg.
Let's see.
Wow, there's a lot.
This is a horse, a cow, a pig, a dog, and a cat.
Oh, this one has a cat as well.
Mommy, we have the same cat.
Yeah, you have the same cat. And
the vet lady. You can just put
that
on.
It's a vet. It's not a farm.
This is a vet lady.
Oh.
And she can sit down.
Oh, so she's going to treat the farm animal, is it?
Yeah.
So she's going with a horse to go and treat the farm animals.
Yep.
Look. Wow, this is a good surprise egg. There's loads of stuff in the surprise eggs, isn't it? Yay! Yep. And
now
what
all
do you have
is
wow, police
car and a criminal.
So the police is chasing the criminal?
Yeah, and you can open the top and put the criminal
at the back so he won't get out.
Yeah.
And then you put the policeman at the front.
Yeah.
Wow.
And they both drive.
That is cool. That is cool. That is a big surprise egg. Do you guys like what is in your surprise egg?
Yeah!
Wow, I like it as well. They all look so cool. Should I call this one the blue one?
Yeah.
The blue one has the police vehicle and the policeman and the criminal. The yellow egg has the vet lady and the farm animals. And the red egg has the fire truck
and the man
and the fireman. And the fireman is going to rescue the cat with this. So he's going to spray it, and then he will rescue the cat. What a brilliant surprise egg.
Thank you for stopping by. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye!